Hello. In this video, we're going to be showing how we can use a TransForm mobile app to capture and store data, not by default as it does only in the TransForm database that is in the TransForm backend, but also to be able to automatically upload that data to an external database. And in our case, we will use an external MySQL database on a public cloud server. So we start off with our TransForm app, our mobile app, and we have a deliveries form, which is meant for people who are delivering items to customers to log the items that they're delivering. And we have, as we said, an external database, which is, so there's a deliveries table, which is currently empty, no rows in there. So if you start a new instance of the deliveries form, and we start filling in the data. So delivery, and we can store an agent tag number. And let's say the customer signed, and then the agent also signed. And we've marked automatically, these to be marked yes as soon as the signature is added. So what we've done in the backend is that we've configured an onSubmit event inside the TransForm backend. The moment this form is uploaded to the backend, to automatically reach out and upload that data via a defined connection string that we've created to this external database. So we upload. So there's the data uploaded. So it exists in the TransForm database now. But if we check this table, we'll see that this data has also been entered in our MySQL database externally. Now, going a step further, let's look at our form again. And we see that we've defined a data group here for items. So we can have an arbitrary list of items for that delivery. So let's say the item code is, and quantity is 1, and description is router. And let's add a second item. Quantity 2, say patch cords. So what happens now is that these obviously are not at the same, they're one level down from the main form. So what happens in the same scenario when we're uploading the data to a database, to an external database, is that we define the mapping file for this data also. So if we go back to our external database, we'll see that we've also added a delivery details table. And you see that the deliveries table, as we saw, has been updated with the top level data, but also a child table called delivery details has been filled in with the information that we entered in the data group, and it has been linked with the record here. And this hierarchy can go on at arbitrary depth and extent. So this is how we can configure TransForm to upload data to an external database. And the way we configure that, we have a built-in wizard in Alpha Anywhere, a genie, that we pick we define the connection string with credentials to the database. We define table maps and field maps with the various levels, and that is then uploaded to the TransForm backend and configures the onSubmit event. Thank you.